making ghetto s'mores.
Ghetto s'mores, yeah.
Our epic fail at our
delicious.
Sorry.
There you go. Hold this. Ew. Oh god. S'mores crapping everywhere. Okay. I'm terrible at this. There you go. It's gonna be melted on top. Now we're gonna make part 2. Our ghetto s'mores. Should we put the chocolate on first?
Yes, we should. Last time it really worked out well.
And shouldn't we flip that? Like flip it that way. You smart one.
Okay.
Wee.
Hold on. This one's gonna be mine. Just so I can keep it on there. Okay.
It's falling over. Our ghetto.
Oh god.
The puffy marshmallows.
Okay, can you go give me the thing? Oh god.
Okay, we go like this.
There you go. And then I go like this. There.
Yeah, you get the perfectly smart one. Yep. There we go.
Since we like chocolate, we're gonna do this. Oh my god.
Okay, just hit my hand and shake the camera.
Oh, sorry.
Just
Okay.
kidding. Just kidding. You
Put that on top. If I could open this.
I'm like doing
This on top.
something.
This on top.